Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Renoy and I am a fashion designer and fashion illustrator. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can sharpen your blunt scissors quickly and easily by yourself. I'll be making use of these face masks to illustrate just how blunt the scissors is. So you can see that the scissors can't even cut through the face mask. So I'm making use of a needle, like the regular hand needle used for hand sewing. This is the needle, and then what you need to do is to scrape the needle across the edges of the scissors continuously for about a minute or two. So you just keep on scraping across the edges of the scissors. So trying it out now, we can see that that's cut through the face mask, although it can't cut through the second layer because it's still not sharp enough, so we can go again. Now we'll try it again, and you can see that it can easily cut through the thicker layer. So guys, that is how you can easily and quickly sharpen your scissors by yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. Thank you for staying till the end.